The next one is the big thing is simulations. We need to have that physics-based simulations that what is our understanding how these digital assets should be working and what is the performance of it. Now, once we have these three steps, then we can move forward and we can look at autonomous AI agents. We can use the simulation, we can use this to learn from it with some methods like deep reinforcement learning and any other learning that can help us to really assess what is the best decisions we need to make. And the last one, it has to go back to the physical world. So somebody or something needs to translate it back, and that's where we're looking at intelligent cyber-physical systems, like cobots, humanoid robots, AMRs, those decisions that made in the digital world, now you need to bring it back to the cyber-physical systems. Now that's really one side, how we operate. So we did believe that digital twinning and digital technologies will help us to really channel value toward our customers. However, as well, we need to have an exceptional Foundry customers employee experience, the human side.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.